Hello everyone. In today's video lecture, we'll see how we can read a file using different functions provided in Python. So we've already seen how read function works. Apart from read function, we also have read line and read lines. And as its name suggests, read line will read just one line at a time, and you can give number of bytes that you want to read from the file. And if you don't give number of bytes, it will just give the first line and the second line and so on. And then we also have read lines. And read lines, in this case also, you can give a number of bytes you want to read, but what it does is it reads all the lines, and its return value is a list of strings. So let us see first how read line function works. Again, we have myfile.txt file, and I'm going to open it for the reading purpose. And instead of read, I'm going to use read line function here. So I'm just going to show you how this function works. I'm going to print the value returned by this function. Okay, I need to open the terminal. And since my file is on the desktop, I'll change my directory to desktop, and name of the file is myfile.py. So as I run it, it will read just one line. Another way of reading line from file using read line is, instead of using print function here, I can use a variable to catch the lines read by the function, and then I'll print the value of the variable here. Right? Okay. Now what if I want to read all the lines? For that, I'll have to run the loop. So first time when I execute this statement and I call the function readline, it will read the first line, and then I will print this line. And we know that an empty data structure's value is always 0 and full data structure's value is 1. So when I say while 1, it will take the value to be true. And while it is 1, I'll just check if not L equals to 1. So if L is 0, that means data structure is empty. Its value is going to be 1. So in this case, I just want to break from the loop. If it's not the case, then I just want to print the statement. So obviously it will come out of the statement. So I'll just print the value of L here. And what I want is, inside this also, it should first read the line, then it will check the line. Okay, it is reading only one line. Okay, it is going to break from the loop, so I need to put it here. Outside the loop. As you can see, it's going to print all the lines. And again, if I don't want new lines after this, I'll just use strip function. This is it for today's video lecture. I'll see you in the next video lecture. Take care.